Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Have you ever been curious about what makes Ottawa's real estate market one of the most stable yet dynamically growing in Canada? Today, we're diving into how government jobs, top-tier universities, and cutting-edge tech companies shape our housing landscape in our beautiful capital. Whether you're planning to buy, sell, or just love to stay informed, this video is packed with insights you won't want to miss. Stay tuned as we uncover why Ottawa is a hidden gem in the real estate world. Let's go. All right, so let's dive into it. Ottawa isn't just another city here in Canada. It's the nation's capital after all. That means a significant portion of the workforce is employed by the federal government. Approximately 125,000 employees. And these jobs are stable, recession resistant, and provide a steady income for thousands of families. So what does this mean for real estate? It means consistency. While other markets may fluctuate wildly, Ottawa's market remains stable, safeguarded by the reliability of government employment. And don't sleep on this fact. Having lived in both Toronto and in Vancouver, I appreciate this insulated bubble called Ottawa. When other cities might see housing markets react sharply to economic changes, Ottawa's market is buffered. This steady job market prevents drastic downturns in property values and ensures a continuous demand for housing. Whether it's renting or buying, people here have a consistent income stream that supports their housing needs. But it's not all slow and steady. The presence of government jobs also fosters growth, albeit at a more measured pace compared to cities like Toronto and Vancouver. And for those looking to invest or buy, this means you're engaging with a market that's not just safe, but also progressively growing. I say this a lot. It's about long-term gain, not short-term speculation. Just like the stock market, you gotta think long-term. Consider the fact that the city is aiming to double in population. You're seeing great long-term growth potential. To me, it feels like it's Ottawa's turn to welcome the rush of people from other parts of Canada. Vancouver, back in the day, 30 years ago, you saw a steady stream of people going east to west. Now it seems like there's a lot of people going west, back down to east, and now it's Ottawa's turn. For the next 20 years, we're gonna experience a wild ride, in my humble opinion. Continuing on our theme of what makes Ottawa's real estate market so unique, now let's talk about education. There are 5 post-secondary institutions here in Ottawa. One, there's University of Ottawa, of course, Carleton University, Algonquin College, St. Paul's University, and La Cité. These institutions are more than just centers for learning, they are vital cogs in the city's economic and cultural machinery. Every year, Ottawa attracts thousands of Canadians and international students. This influx brings a vibrant, youthful energy to the city and creates diverse demands on the housing market. From student rentals to family homes for faculty and staff. With a steady stream of students and academics, neighborhoods near these institutions see consistently high demand for rentals. Landlords and investors take note. Properties in these areas rarely see vacancies and they can offer a reliable return on investment. The presence of a large student and faculty population supports local businesses and services, enriching the community's cultural tapestry. Coffee shops, bookstores, restaurants, and cultural venues thrive, further boosting the attractiveness of these neighborhoods. For families and professionals considering where to put down roots, these educational hubs offer more than just the proximity to schools. They are lively, diverse, and full of growth opportunities. Living here means being part of a dynamic community that's intellectually and culturally stimulating. And let's not forget the impact on property values. Long-term properties near colleges and universities tend to appreciate steadily, making them a wise choice for those looking to build equity over time. Again, long-term thinking. So whether you're a potential investor looking for a smart placement for your resources, a student looking for a vibrant community, or a faculty member aiming for a stable home near work, Ottawa's educational centers offer a compelling reason to consider them in your real estate plans. Okay, so now let's shift our attention to Canada, which is often dubbed Silicon Valley North. And I've referenced Canada in prior videos, and I'll link my Canada video in the description below, which will go into a lot more detail. This booming tech hub is not just about cutting-edge technology and innovation, it's also a major player in shaping the local real estate scene. Canada is home to an impressive array of high-tech firms, from startups to global giants. And this concentration of technology companies has turned the area into a magnet for tech professionals seeking career opportunities in one of Canada's most most dynamic sectors. With thousands of well-paying tech jobs, Canada attracts a skilled workforce, which in turn drives demand for real estate. And the result? Properties here are highly sought after, both for their investment potential and for the lifestyle that they offer. The real estate market in Canada and its neighboring areas benefit tremendously. We see a mix of residential options, from sleek condos catering to young professionals to spacious family homes fit for tech executives. The community is designed to support a high-tech lifestyle with robust infrastructure, top-notch amenities, and plenty of green space for work-life balance. Residents here enjoy a community that's tailored to their needs. Think smart homes, eco-friendly living solutions, and a community tech hubs that foster collaboration and innovation outside the office. Living in Canada means being part of a forward-thinking, vibrant community where cutting-edge tech meets everyday life. It's an exciting place to be, not just for tech professionals, but for anyone drawn to a dynamic, future-oriented neighborhood. And for real estate investors, Canada offers a promising opportunity. The continuous growth in the tech sector continues to steadily appreciate in property values, making it a smart bet for those looking to grow their portfolios in a booming market. As we continue exploring what shapes Ottawa's real estate market, now let's talk about one of the city's most unique characteristics: its bilingual nature. Ottawa's status as a bilingual city isn't just a cultural feature, it significantly impacts the real estate landscape as well. Being Canada's capital, Ottawa naturally embodies the country's bilingual policy, offering services in both English and French. This draws a diverse demographic from government officials to professionals who value the ability to work and live in both languages. As of 2021, approximately 300,000 workers in Ontario use French at least regularly at work, with about 120,000 of these workers using French most often, whether predominantly or equally with other languages. This represents roughly 4.6% of the province's workforce. Within specific sectors like public administration, educational services, and healthcare, French usage is particularly prevalent. The demand for bilingual employees in public and private sectors boosts the job market and, by extension, the housing market. Bilingualism opens up more job opportunities, which attracts residents from across Canada and around the world, increasing the demand for housing. In neighborhoods across Ottawa, you'll find a vibrant mix of cultural influences, which enriches the community and makes it more attractive to a broader audience. This diversity also drives a dynamic real estate market, catering to a wide range of preferences and needs. For many, living in Ottawa means enjoying a rich, multicultural environment that reflects Canada's heritage and values. It's a place where you can raise your children in a culturally rich setting, ensuring that they grow up with a broader perspective and linguistic skills that are an asset in today's globalized world. Real estate here isn't just about buying property, it's about investing in a lifestyle that values diversity and bilingualism. Whether it's the increased property values, the robust rental market, or the quality of life, the benefits of Ottawa's bilingual nature are reflected in every corner of the city. So if you're drawn to a city that thrives on its bilingual heritage and offers a welcoming community in both English and French speakers, Ottawa might just be the place for your next home or investment. Another significant aspect influencing the Ottawa real estate market is the recreational areas and the commitment to maintaining a green city. Let's see how this aspect of Ottawa not only enhances our quality of life, but also the value of our homes. Ottawa is renowned for its dedication for preserving its extensive green spaces. From the vast Gatineau Park to the urban sanctuaries like Major Hills Park and along the historic Rideau Canal, these areas offer residents a unique recreational opportunity, which is a rare find in large cities. These lush green spaces are not just for leisure and recreation, they play a crucial role in making neighborhoods more attractive. They enhance the quality of life, contributing to both the mental and physical well-being, making areas close to them highly desirable for residents. For homeowners and potential buyers, proximity to these parks can significantly increase property values. Families often prioritize access to these parks and recreational activities when looking for their new homes, which means properties near these greenbelts tend to fetch a premium on the market. And it's not just about direct access to nature. These green spaces help foster a strong community vibe where outdoor concerts, festivals, and public events bring neighbors together, creating a vibrant, connected community. In Ottawa, we have the Rideau Canal, the Ottawa River, the Gatineau Hills. We have a network for bike trails and running trails, We have cross-country skiing. We have a green belt, swimming everywhere, and outdoor skating rinks managed by the city. These are all aspects where thousands of people take advantage. There are few places in Toronto that follow Lake Ontario that might compare. Vancouver would have more because obviously they have Stanley Park and they have the beaches, but on a size and on a per capita basis, they simply don't compare. Living near Ottawa's green spaces means embracing a lifestyle where nature and urban life blend seamlessly. Whether you're a jogger, a cyclist, or someone who enjoys a picnic under the trees, Ottawa offers a green sanctuary for everyone. As we wrap up our journey through the unique facets of Ottawa's real estate market, from government stability to educational hubs, the high-tech sector, the bilingual benefits, and the lush green spaces, it's clear to me that Ottawa isn't just Canada's capital, but it's a place where different worlds beautifully converge. Each aspect that we've explored today contributes to making Ottawa a top choice for anyone looking to invest in real estate or call this wonderful city home. It's a market characterized by stability, diversity, and continuous evolution, mirroring the very essence of the city itself. If you're as captivated by Ottawa as I am and you want to explore what this city has to offer, whether you're buying, selling, or simply seeking advice, don't hesitate to reach out. Let's turn your real estate goals into reality here in Ottawa, where every neighborhood tells a story and every street holds a promise. My name is Mark Belanger, and you can reach me at markbelangerrealty.com. Go to my website and there is a link to my schedule. Please reach out to me, schedule a half an hour. Let's discuss the pros and cons of Ottawa. Let's go tour some neighborhoods together, and let's start this journey together if you're contemplating relocating to Ottawa. Again, if you've enjoyed this video, I've enjoyed putting it together. I look forward to your comments and your feedback. And until the next video, take care.